10, 100 or 1,000 plugins. How many you actually need to get a decent mix or a master? Stick it out to find out. What's up guys, Thomas Ray here from Sound Audio Advice, bringing you the latest and the greatest from the universe of audio. Don't forget to subscribe, get the bell going and stay tuned. Just last week I visited my mate. He was mixing vocals for this song, and I was watching his workflow, his session, and it took him 10 minutes to pick the right EQ. And I just looked at the folder of the plugins that he had, and it was literally hundreds of plugins, platinum bundle, gold bundle, whatever bundle. And I was just wondering, do you actually need that many plugins? I've been mastering for over a decade now, and I have 10 plugins that I'm using. 2 corrective EQs, 1 creative EQ, 1 saturator, 2 compressors, and 3 limiters. That's all I have. And don't get me wrong, I did change it along the way, but I've noticed having the less plugins got me into discovering the plugin much more. When you have a choice of only 2 EQs, let's say, you're gonna dig deep into the functions of those EQs. Because at the end of the day, how many EQs do you need to EQ vocals? And is it not much easier to start your mixing or mastering session when you know exactly what EQs you're going to use? And fair enough, sometimes you might look for a different sound. In that case, what to do is set the parameters of the certain EQ, tweak it the way you want, let's say boost at 1K or 5K, whatever. Set the same settings for another EQ and another EQ, switch between the plugins and see which one sounds the best. That way you have your go-to EQ for your next session. And trust me, having more time in your session is much more productive than having less time just because you spend so much time picking the EQ from the list of 100. And I get it, listen, I love plugins as well. There is a new plugin out, I'm gonna try it, yeah. But I also compare it to my existing chain, see if that actually sounds any better. Remember, plugin is the tool and sound is the outcome. Having limited tools often equals better mix or master. So go to your computer, clean up your list of plugins, leave only the ones that you really need or you've been using in the past few months and stick to them. Often less is more, both in mixing or mastering and even recording. So clean up your plugins and get creative. I hope this short video was helpful guys. Stay creative, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.